Right, how come you can't get in there? Let me see. Hey, Ride. Why can't you get in there? Because why? What do you have?
So that no one man can ever lead the church astray. Senior leaders are constantly being tutored, such that one day they are ready to sit in the highest councils. They learn how to hear the voice of the Lord through the principles of the Spirit. While serving as first counselor to President Ezra Taft Benson, who was then nearing the end of his mortal life,
Ride, why can't you fit?
Gordon B. Hinckley
Because why?
quote,
Get in there, Ride.
the principles and procedures which the Lord has put in place for the governance